Hello everyone, in this video we need to know about top 10 incredible facts about Sri Lanka. Biodiversity hotspot. Sri Lanka is known for its incredible biodiversity. Despite its small size, the country is considered a biodiversity hotspot, with a high concentration of endemic species. It is home to various wildlife, including elephants, leopards, sloth bears, and a wide array of bird species. World's oldest tree. Sri Lanka is home to the Sri Maha Bodhi, a sacred fig tree in Anuradhapura. It is believed to be the oldest documented tree in the world, with a history dating back over 2,200 years. It is considered a significant religious and historical site for Buddhists. Ceylon tea. Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, is renowned for its tea production. Ceylon tea is famous worldwide for its unique flavor and quality. The country's tea plantations, especially in the Central Highlands, offer picturesque landscapes and the opportunity to experience tea production firsthand. Cultural heritage. Sri Lanka has a rich cultural heritage that reflects its historical influences, including Indian, Arab, Dutch, Portuguese, and British. The country is home to numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, such as the ancient cities of Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa, the Sigiriya Rock Fortress, and the sacred city of Kandy. Stunning beaches. Sri Lanka is blessed with beautiful beaches along its coastline. From the palm-fringed shores of Arugam Bay and Marissa to the golden beaches of Bentota and Unawatuna, the country offers a range of beach experiences for relaxation, water sports, and whale watching. Elephants. Sri Lanka has one of the highest densities of elephants in Asia. The country's national parks, such as Udawalawe and Minaria, provide opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, particularly during the annual gathering known as The Gathering, in Minaria. Adams Peak. Located in the Central Highlands, Adams Peak, Sri Pada, is a sacred mountain that holds religious significance for multiple faiths, including Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. Pilgrims climb the mountain to reach the summit and witness the breathtaking sunrise. Spice gardens. Sri Lanka is known as the Spice Island, due to its rich spice heritage. The country is famous for its spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and nutmeg. Visitors can explore spice gardens to learn about the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of these aromatic spices. Traditional Ayurveda. Sri Lanka is a popular destination for traditional Ayurvedic treatments and wellness retreats. Ayurveda, an ancient healing system, focuses on restoring balance and harmony in the body through natural remedies, massages, and herbal therapies. Whales and dolphins. Sri Lanka's coastal waters are a hotspot for whale and dolphin watching. Marissa and Trincomalee are renowned for sightings of blue whales, sperm whales, and various dolphin species. Tourists can take boat trips to witness these majestic marine creatures up close. These incredible facts highlight the natural beauty, cultural heritage, and unique experiences that Sri Lanka has to offer. For more informative videos, subscribe Logical Facts YouTube channel.